Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. I have been so busy knitting these hats. I made the 20 people in our family a hat for Christmas, and they absolutely love them. I am so grateful for my family and everything that they do, and I wanted to show them that I appreciate them. And with the weather being so cold this year in Wyoming, I wanted to make sure that everybody was warm. If you want the printed pattern for these hats, just shoot me an email and I'll be happy to send it to you. Now let's get on to regular programming. This popcorn is so good. I know I always say that, but you have never lived a sugar-free life until you made this popcorn. It is my regular kettle corn popcorn that I drizzled sugar-free white and dark chocolate on. Come along with me and let me show you how to get it done. If you've ever had a popcorn pan like this, this is a Whirley Pop, and it makes the best popcorn ever. This is about 10 years old, so it's gotten a lot of use. If you notice, these open on both sides, and the inside has a spinning wand in there, and you just spin it by hand when your popcorn is cooking. Okay, let's start making this popcorn. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of avocado oil, one-third of a cup of allulose, one-third of a cup of any kind of popping corn, Now I'm just gonna pop that lid down, stir this mixture up until it's well combined before I even turn on the heat. Now turn your heat on to about medium. I'm going to use the number 4 mark on my stove. Now soon as you start hearing those kernels start popping, stir continuously until that popping sound slows down. I do have a safety warning for you. As you notice, there is steam coming out of the lid, and I have my hand as far away from that as possible. Now, since this is cooked sugar, you're going to want to pour it out as soon as you're done. I just sprinkle it over my wax paper, and I use a long handled spoon to try to scoop anything that's in there that needs to be loosened. Now I'm just going to spread this out a little bit because I'm going to sprinkle it with salt. This is kettle corn at this point, and just lightly sprinkle your sugared popcorn with some salt. And now I'm just going to wait until this cools off before I put the chocolate on. Look how sugary this is. It's so good, just like this. Now I just melted 1/4 of Lily's white chocolate with 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just going to drizzle it back and forth on this popcorn. And I also melted the Lily's milk chocolate with the butter and drizzled it on the popcorn, and then I just left it on the counter so it would cool. and set up. Well guys, this is already set up, and I usually just put this in a glass jar. This made a 1/2 gallon jar and a quart jar, so we got a lot of popcorn out of this. And here is my 1/2 gallon jar I'm filling up. We ate about half of it for dessert tonight, and we truly enjoyed it. So amazing. The husband said, keep making it. And if you notice, I'm taking popcorn from both of the piles because one had more chocolate on it than the other, so I was trying to mix it up so that way it was completely even. Well guys, here's that amazing popcorn. That chocolate makes a huge difference, and we are going to enjoy this. And I want to thank you for watching the video, and as always, may God bless you.